Ever felt like 24 hours is not enough? Balancing study and part-time work is every international student's biggest challenge. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your time smartly, stay productive, and still have energy left for yourself. Let's go. When you move abroad, part-time work becomes essential for rent, groceries, or just independence. But many students end up burned out, low grades, missed shifts, or worse, mental exhaustion. The truth is, it's not about doing more, it's about doing smart. Most students plan daily, but abroad, your shifts change, deadlines shift, and schedules overlap. So plan weekly instead. Every Sunday, note your classes, shifts, and free time. It helps you see the bigger picture and saves you from burnout midweek. Your commute can be gold. Listen to English podcasts, revise notes, or plan your day. Even 30 minutes a day means 15 hours of extra learning a month. That's huge. Many students think saying no means losing opportunity. But your mental health and academic success matter more. If you're exhausted, skipping one shift can save your next exam result. Every day, choose just 3 priorities. 1 for work, 1 for study, 1 for self. Don't overload your to-do list. Finishing 3 meaningful things beats doing 10 half-done tasks. Sleep isn't a waste of time. It's fuel for your brain. Lack of rest, poor concentration, mistakes at work, and low memory. So aim for at least 6 to 7 hours, even during rush weeks. Use tools that keep you on track. Clockify for shift tracking. Notion or Google Tasks for assignments, Forest for focus sessions. The right app can save you hours every week. Remember, you're not just a worker or a student. You're a human being building your dream abroad. Make time for friends, music, walks. These small breaks keep you going. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your abroad buddies. Balance isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Stay smart, stay focused, and chase your dreams with confidence.